Percent bar graphs are our next type of graph that we're going to talk about. So a couple of things to break down here. We're talking about percents first. Okay, so that's the first word, is a percent. So when we think about percents, we should always be thinking about percent literally means per 100. Okay, so it has to get to this total of 100% if you're creating a percent bar graph. They have to show all of it. And then the bar part of your graph is just telling you that it will be a single bar to show you the percent of each category. So in this problem, it's going to be really important for us to remember our percent proportions. Really, with all percent bar graphs, we're going to need to know this. So a reminder, all percents come out of 100. So you have the number 100 and the percent over that. And the other side is that part over total. And then to solve these, we do that cross multiply and divide strategy. Okay. So we have this percent bar graph, and it's talking about television shows watched. So up first, we have dramas. Okay. So if you look at the drama section, it goes 10, 20, 30. So the drama part represents 30% of the answers. The second bar is talking about action. Okay, so for action, it is right here in the middle. That's going to be important. But it starts at 30. So we're going to skip count from there. 10, 20, 30, 5. So 35%. Then we have the live section, and that's going from 65 to 75. So that's another 10%. And then comedies are last. So there's 10, 20, 5%. And again, if you remember that all percents have to come out of 100, an easy way to check that we mapped this out correctly is just to add up those numbers. So 30 plus 35 plus 10 plus 25. So 65 plus 35 is indeed that total 100%. The math part here, we do need a little bit of extra information, and luckily we have that right here in this bolded sentence. So this sentence says we asked 25 students their favorite TV show genre. Okay, so this 25 represents the total number of students we went and asked this question to. So for each of these sections, question 1 wants us to find how many students are in those groups. So the percents do not tell us the number of students. The percent tells us exactly that, the per 100 answer. So let's look at the drama section first. Okay, so for drama, it was 30%. All percents come out of 100. And we talked to 25 total students. So to solve this problem, we're going to cross multiply. 30 times 25 is 750. 750 divided 100 means that the drama section was picked by 7.5 students. Yes, I know we can't really have half a student, but unfortunately that's just how the math is going for this problem. Our next category is action. So we're going to set up that same percent proportion. So all percents come out of 100. There are 25 total students. So we're going to cross multiply. And this is going to give us 875. We're going to divide that by 100 and get 8.75 students picked action. Then we have the live, 10 out of 100%, 25 total students. We cross multiply and divide, 2.5 students picked the live category. And our very last one is comedies. Our comedy represents 25% of our students. All percents come out of 100. We talk 25 students. So this is 6.25 when you do your cross multiply and divide. Now, I'm with you guys. Realistically, we shouldn't have decimals of students, but in this case, we do. Question number 2 is a little easier. Question number 2 is asking about the mode. Okay, again, mode is the most. So which genre was picked the most? And that is action. So action movies are the mode of this day.